Good evening, everyone. This is LB Sridhar back once again after a gap of 8 months, and I will be continuing my arithmetic made easy going forward. I thought, why not use this lockdown opportunity as a good opportunity to initiate this arithmetic made easy once again. I'm sure all of you are safe and healthy and staying at home without any problem. Now today I will be teaching you all multiplication of two two-digit numbers. Now there may be many ways by which we can multiply it, but today I am suggesting a method which may make life more simpler for all of us. But I am not telling this is the only method, there could be many more methods. Now to start with, let me first explain how do I multiply two numbers which are single digit. So I will take 9 times 8. Now 9 times 8, everyone is aware that the answer is 72. You may be wondering, why is it that I am teaching 9 times 8? The idea here is basically to tell you the methodology which I will be using, which will be similar to the one which I am explaining now. Now if you look at 9 and 8, the best thing is you should know that both these numbers are close to 10. So what I will do, I am going to use 10 as the base for these two numbers. So I will keep 10 as the base. Now keeping 10 as the base, I am going to subtract number 10 from 9. If I subtract number 10 from 9, I am going to get negative 1. Vice versa, I am going to subtract number 10 from 8 also. So this way I am going to get minus 2. Now if you are looking at these numbers and if you do a cross addition between the two numbers, that is add 9 and minus 2 or 8 and minus 1, either way you are getting the answer as 7. And that 7 will form as the most significant number for the multiplication of 9 times 8. But since I am going to get 7, so 7 becomes the most significant digit. The next step I do is simply I take minus 1 and minus 2, I multiply them. Now you all know that negative times negative, which is minus 1 into minus 2, makes it plus 2. Now if it makes it plus 2, then the answer is 72. So it's that simple. 9 times 8 is 72. You may be wondering, why am I teaching you in a very difficult and lengthy process? Let's repeat the same process for multiplying two numbers, 98 into 96. 98 into 96. Now if you look at both these numbers, the closest number to both 98 and 96 is 100. So herein I am going to use 100 as the base. So if I use 100 as the base, I am going to subtract the same process, 100, 98 minus 100, I am going to get minus 2. Next one, of course, is 96 minus 100, which is minus 4. Now if I do the cross multiplication, cross addition of both the numbers, 98 and minus 4 or 96 and minus 2, you are going to get 94, which forms the most significant number. Now minus 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Now you know the answer has to have a 4-digit number, so it is 9408. So you find that if I multiply 98 and 96, my answer is 9408. Now you may wonder that how does it work for other numbers. Of course, it will work for every 2-digit number, this process. Now let's take another number for your own purpose, which is 91 into 97. Now interestingly, again the base is 100. Herein I get minus 9. Herein I get minus 3. If you add 91 and minus 3, you get 88. If you add 97 and minus 9, you get 88, which is the significant digit. And multiply minus 9 and minus 3, you get 27. Now, you can multiply yourself by the normal methodology, and I am 100% sure you will find out that 91 times 97 is 8827. Now, the next and the last number which I am going to teach is 13 times 12. Now, 13 times 12, if you look at it, here the closest base is 10. So, I am going to take 10. So, it is 10 plus 3 and 10 plus 2. Here it is plus 3 and it is plus 2. Now, if I do the addition, cross addition, either way I get 13 plus 2 or 12 plus 3, I get 15. And 3 into 2 is 6. So, 156 is the answer. Now, you may try like this, any 2-digit number, it will work. But it becomes complex when you are told to multiply some numbers like 73 into 77 or 45 into 46, because herein, if you take the 100 as the base, you will get a huge difference, and then you may end up multiplying on the right side huge numbers. So, there is a methodology wherein if I have to multiply 73 into 77, I can take 70 as the base and proceed. I will stop here for the time being. In case you have any doubt, you may contact me on my designated email ID, which is lvsridhar@hotmail.com, and or you can WhatsApp me on my mobile number. So lvsridhar@hotmail.com. In case you have any queries, you may even WhatsApp me on +91 99 80 40 56 83. More on this, I will come back on how we can proceed with numbers like 75 times 76, 47 times 48 tomorrow. Until then, goodbye everybody.